x plus 9 is equal to 15. If you look at this question carefully, we have like terms. The like terms are the numbers 9 and 15, while the unlike term, which is the value of x that we are asked to look for, is different. So what do? We'll bring down our x, all right? Then we'll carry the plus 9, move it to the other side of the equation, all right? Some people will say adding minus 9 to both sides. Since we have a plus 9 here, when we add minus 9 to this side of the equation and minus 9 to this side of the equation, we'll get our answer. Or better still, we have plus 9. When it crosses over the equality sign, the positive sign changes to negative. So I can have x is equal to, I'll bring down the 15 that is already existing on this side, then plus 9 crosses over here and we'll have minus 9. That means we have done minus 9 and minus 9 on both sides. So the value of x will now be equal to 15 minus 9, and that is 6. So the value of x is 6. All right. So the second question, we have 6 plus x is equal to 13. 6 plus x is equal to 13. So similarly, our x is positive, so we can bring it down here, all right? And that's equal to, so we'll bring down our 13. The 6 is positive because every number that doesn't have a sign before it has a positive sign. So when 6 is brought to this side of the equation, we have minus 6. So x is equal to 13 minus 6. And 13 minus 6 will give us 7. So the value of x is 7. So for question 3, we are told that m minus 8 is equal to 7. M minus 8 is equal to 7. So to get the value of m, it's pretty simple. All we need to do, we'll add plus 8 to this side and plus 8 to this side. And that also means m is equal to 7 plus 8. Why is it changing to plus 8? Because it's a negative sign we're having here. So when the negative sign crosses over the equality sign, it changes to positive. And if it's a positive sign, if it crosses over, it changes to negative. So we have m is equal to 7 plus 8, and the value of m becomes 15. And our answer is ready. So for number 4, we have 5y minus 4 is equal to 21. All right. So we have the algebraic term with our unknown, which is 5y. We can just bring it down here. All right. So we can bring down our equality sign. Remember, the equality sign separates one side of the equation from the other side. All right. So I can bring down 21, and minus 4 crosses over to become plus 4. So we'll have 5y is equal to 25. And the value of y is 5, because when you divide both sides of the equation with the coefficient of y, which is 5, I'll divide this side by 5, divide this side by 5. All right, so the value of y is equal to 5 divide itself once, and 5 divide 25 5 times. And the value of y is 5. If you think this has been helpful so far, I would like you to please drop a comment at the comment section. As you're watching this video, just type "it's been helpful," okay? Or you can just type "well done" to encourage me to do more. All right. So the next question says 2t minus 10, and that's equal to 10. 2t minus 10 equal to 10. We're asked to find the number that the letter t represents. So in doing that, we can bring down our 2t here, and the equality sign is brought down. We'll collect like terms. The numbers will meet. All right, we have 10 here, which is existing. I'm bringing it down. And the negative 10 that is here is crossed over to the other side to become a positive 10. So we'll have 2t is equal to 20. So the next thing we'll do, we'll divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of t. All right, so divide this side by t, divide this side by t. So this cancels out this, we're left with t, and that is 10, because 20 divided by 2 is 10. All right, so the next question is 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2 is equal to 18. 2x plus 2 is equal to 18. Just like we've been doing, we'll collect like terms. That's the first thing. We'll take the numbers to one side of the equation, and the one with the letter is brought down. So we'll bring down our 2x, and that's equal to 18 is already existing here, so we'll write it down. Then plus 2 changes to negative 2, so we can have negative 2 on this side. So we can have 2x, and that's equal to 18 minus 2, we have 16. 18 minus 2 gives us 16. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is to divide both sides of the equation. We'll divide both sides of the equation with the coefficient of x, which is 2. So divide this side by 2, divide this side by 2. All right, so this cancels out, and we're left with x, and that's equal to, we have 16 divided by 2, and we have 8. All right, 16 divided by 2 is 8. Then we have one more question left, which says 6y plus 3y minus y is equal to 24. In this question, we are asked to find the value of y. I would like you to do this and drop your answer at the comment section. And in case you have any topic you want us to treat, feel free to drop the topic at the comment section. And if you think this has been beneficial, don't forget to please share, like, and follow me for more. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.